When we talk about reporting verbs in direct and indirect speech, we often focus on words like say, tell, and ask. These verbs play a crucial role in how we convey information, and understanding their nuances can really enhance our communication skills. Let's start with say. This verb is straightforward and is used when we want to report what someone has expressed without specifying the listener. For example, if I say, she says she loves chocolate, the focus is on her statement. Notice that since says is in the present tense, the reported speech remains in the present as well. Now, tell is a bit different. It requires a listener to whom the information is directed. For instance, he tells me he will join us later. Here, the use of tells indicates that there's a recipient of the information. Again, because tells is present, the reported speech stays in the present. Next up is ask. This verb is used when someone is inquiring about something. For example, she asks if I'm coming to the party. In this case, the present tense of asks keeps the reported speech intact. Now, let's shift gears to the future tense with will say and shall say. These forms indicate that the action will happen later. For instance, he will say he's ready by noon. Here, the future tense doesn't change the reported speech. It remains in the present. Similarly, I shall say my piece during the meeting also keeps the reported speech in the present. When we talk about shall tell, it follows the same pattern. For example, I shall tell you the news tomorrow. The future aspect of shall tell means the reported speech will still reflect the present tense. It's important to note that when the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the tense of the reported speech does not change. This is a key rule to remember, as it helps maintain clarity in communication. Now, are there more reporting verbs in direct or indirect speech? Generally, we find a wider variety of reporting verbs in indirect speech. While say, tell, and ask are common in both forms, indirect speech allows for more variation, such as advise, inform, warn, and suggest. These verbs provide additional context and can convey different nuances in meaning. In summary, understanding how to use reporting verbs effectively can significantly enhance our ability to communicate. Whether we're using present or future tenses, the way we report speech can change the entire tone and clarity of our message. So, the next time you're sharing information, pay attention to your reporting verbs. They're more powerful than you might think.